Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you guys how to reach and find and target businesses, okay, using the Facebook Ads Manager. Okay, so I'm going to use Nigeria for example, right? So I've added it three big cities, three big states, you know, Federal Capital, the FCT, Lagos and Rivers State, right? So I'm going to use that for an example. I've gone all both genders. And what I've done is added small business owners, right? So small business owners is it's a behavioral targeting criteria, and I've added small business owners. These are people who list themselves as small business owners or own small business pages on Facebook. Okay, so in this way, you can actually narrow down your targeting and make sure your ad, when you run your ad, that it is showing to only businesses. You're showing to business owners. All right. So you can also do this. So business page admins. So these are people that are admin of a business page on Facebook. All right. Same thing with this Facebook page. People who are admin of at least one page on Facebook. Okay. So these are ways you can actually use to target business owners. You can actually use to target businesses on Facebook to sell your product or to offer your services to them. To make sure that basically that your ad is being shown to businesses, not individuals, right? So these are the ways you can actually narrow it down. Now there are other options. There are other things you can actually do. For example, if you want to target new businesses, all right, there are ways to target and reach new businesses. Maybe um, you are a website developer. You are a website developer and you would like to develop websites for new businesses. This is the way you are able to target them and advertise your services to them. So one way you can is do is by typing new page admins, right? So new page admins behaviors. So these are people who have become page admins within the past 2 weeks. So within the past 2 weeks, the people that have actually become page admins, the people that have actually created a page. So when you start a business, one of the first things people do is create a Facebook page, an Instagram page, have a presence on social media. So if you are focused on targeting new businesses, this will be the way to go about it. Okay, targeting new page admins will be the way to go about it. So the next thing to do is new active businesses. All right, new active businesses. So there is a this targeting criteria is new active businesses less than 2 years, 24 months. New active businesses less than 12 months, less than 1 year. New active businesses less than 6 months. So in this way, you can actually choose which one you want to go with, which one you're comfortable with. How new do you want the business to be? And an amazing thing is that it is active businesses. So they are posting. There are posting on their social media pages. They're engaging. They're probably interacting with potential customers, or they are running ads. Right. That is exactly what they mean by active businesses. So admins of engaged businesses that are created. Okay, within 6 months, 12 months, and 24 months. So you could choose whatever based on how new you want the business to be, the business that you want to target. You could choose using these criterias. Okay. So guys, these are the ways to target businesses, right? These are the ways to target businesses. If you just go run ads without doing this, Facebook is going to show your ads to individuals, and you don't want individuals to be seeing your ads. That is you will be wasting money if you do that. So you want to be targeted. You want your ads to be targeted. You really want your ads to be shown to businesses. You want them to be shown to business owners, because these are the people that the service or the product you are selling, with will be of interest to. Okay, so yeah, so that is going to be all for this video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, like it, subscribe to the channel. Feel free to express yourself in the comment section. And also, guys, if you need our services, you want us to optimize your ads, or you want to join our support group, for advanced guides and tutorials, let us know, guys. Let us know. You can also find more details in our description.